This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing and review of one product. So I have a beautiful pack in front of me and I have something for you guys. Let's see what we have. We have some jewelry for men. Okay, you see a box from Lotus style. This is one fashion brand. In Spain we have is a European brand. Let me take this off from here. Take this off as this. Let's see what we have inside for you guys. So a box and inside a beautiful premium bracelet for man. For fashionable man, of course. You see Lotus branding here. Obviously, X sign. This is leather. See, this leather bracelet. Okay, Lotus style. More cards, more information. If you have time, you want to read. Here you see, certified from Lotus. From here in Spain. Lovely premium. So very high quality premium bracelet. You can open as this from here. You see how beautiful this one. Lovely. I put here. See how it is beautiful. Little bit closer. The construction premium. I feel very high quality product. How it is stitched. Okay, this is the steel. Very good lock you have in this guys. Look at this, that's all very lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.